everyone! If you are not in the northeast of the U.S., then you must watch this video to see the phenomena that only happens once in 17 years. It is the merge of millions of cicadas all together at the same time. It is hot and sunny today, and the cicadas are very active. The males are singing and all are flying to find their mates. If you haven't watched our cicada video before, here is the information you need to know about these fascinating creatures. These are not typical or annual cicadas that we have seen every year, but they are 17-year periodical cicadas. And, as the name said, they only emerge from the ground after 17 years living as nymphs feeding on tree roots. Check out this crabapple tree. It is covered with cicadas. It really is amazing to see this much of cicadas at one time. Must be many thousands, if not more, in my yard alone. Every tree is covered with cicadas. Not sure if you can see, all the bugs flying around the trees are not flies, but they are 17-year periodical cicadas. After becoming adult, they can only live for a few weeks. So, it is very important that they find their mates and lay eggs as soon as possible to maintain their species. And the way to do it? The males sing or make this loud sound to attract females. It is very loud. That will give me a headache if I stay outside longer than 10 minutes. It is that loud. Besides singing, they are flying to find their mates. And they seem very busy and very serious doing that. Nature is amazing. We hope you like this video. Please check out other fun videos for a kid like me in our channel. Bye!